Wondering whether your Calzuro clogs are the right fit? Follow these steps to make sure you get the right size. First, take a look at our website before you order. Choose a product, then utilize our True Fit program to get the most personalized fit that works for you. Once you find your size, add it to your cart and check out. Next, it's time to try on your clogs. Let's take a look at an example of how your clogs should look. A good way to tell if your Calzuro clogs are the right size is by looking at the heels. Your heels should be right in line with the back of your clogs. If there's space between your heel and the back of the shoe, you'll need a smaller size. Wearing the proper size prevents irritation from your clogs rubbing against your heels, while also allowing for better support for your feet. Now you know how your Calzuro clog should fit. Grab yourself a new pair now.